జస్మిత స్పీచ్ ఇవ్వడానికి వస్తుంది. కమ్ జస్మిత, గివ్ ఎ బిగ్ హ్యాండ్.
Respected Principal Sir, Madams, Sirs, and my dear friends, good morning to all. My name is Jashwita and I am studying in 6th CO. First of all, I wish you a very happy Republic Day. Diwali is the festival of Hindus, Ramzan is the festival of Muslims, Christmas is the festival of Christians, but Republic Day is the festival of all Indians. On this 26th January in 1950, our constitution came into force. The constitution is the supreme law of the land. It took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days for making of this Indian constitution. It has 395 articles, 22 parts and 12 schedules. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is the father of the Indian constitution. Famous constitutional expert Ivor Jennings said Indian constitution is the best constitution in the world. It guarantees each and every citizen 6 fundamental rights. Moreover, it bestows each and every citizen right to vote irrespective of caste, creed, religious and sex. Liberty, equality, fraternity and justice are the noble ideals of our constitution. On this auspicious occasion, let us pledge to be responsible citizens of India. Thank you one and all for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you and Jai Hind.
చాలా బాగా చెప్పింది. వెరీ గుడ్ జస్మిత. వన్స్ అగైన్ ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్. నెక్స్ట్ స్పర్జన్.